Hi guys, Fonzie here from GM Motorsport, Australia Speed. Today we've got a V6, been running around for a few years. The previous owner had an intake. A lot of people buy intakes, whether it's off eBay or anywhere around. If you're putting an intake on a V6 or even a Mustang, you can't run it without a tune. This car was presented to us and I think the first run was 160 kilowatts, rear wheel. Might have cracked in the 170 mark, but it was dangerously lean and also dangerously rich in some spots, which can cause accelerated engine wear, washing the bores down. So what we're going to do is give it a run. We've put your some OTR and we've done a custom tune on it. So we've tried to correct many years of bad running, and we'll show you what a properly tuned air intake can do compared to something that hasn't been tuned. Even so, though they say that it doesn't need a tune, assure you anything with a MAF cartridge on a V6 ECM or a Mustang, they must be tuned. You can't run it without it. Alright, we'll hit the rollers and we'll show you what it can do. Okay, so good figure, 211. If the car's complete with the proper headers on it and in good state, it'll probably go 220 kilowatts for our basic packages. So what we'll show you here, if you come into the screen and follow me around, Tanyan, we'll save that run and we'll show you some other runs. And what we'll do is select all them. That'll do for now. Okay, so there's the big differences that we have. This car had a massive flat spot down low, and you can see that here under the curve here with my cursor, the blue line. So then it come in and you can see that it was grossly rich here. It's off the down to 7.7, 7.6 and off the scale basically. So we've corrected the air-fuel ratio, corrected the timing, and look at the torque as well. So that's why you need to have a tune when you do go any type of intake, okay? So what we're trying to show you guys is don't neglect your car. If you change the intake, get it tuned straight away. Don't leave it. It can affect the car. It can wash the bores down and everything else. So we've corrected it. Hopefully the bores wash up a little bit and deglaze for it, but the customer should be happy now. So guys, you need any advice on the V6s, watch our channel, Australia Speed, and we'll give you more content. Thanks guys.